Well, I need to speak to the manager because why am I still sick? I need to speak to the manager who is in charge because I have no business still being sick. It'll be a week tomorrow since I've had the sick leaves, and I'm over it. I'm over it. But I know my body's doing what it needs to do to heal. It's all good. It's all good. It has just put a damper on me creating the type of videos that I want to create. They still gonna happen, but I've just decided today is day 25. I've decided that some of the more creative videos are probably gonna come after the challenge, which is cool because the Worthy series, I wanted the Worthy series to be contained in the 30-day challenge, but it's okay because it's gonna come out. So, I realized I was just putting unnecessary pressure on myself. But yeah, I think there's at least 2 more videos that I want to create that may not happen within the next 30 days, but I'm gonna get something. Y'all leaving here with something. Shouts out to Uncle Denzel. But yeah. We still gonna get it done. We still gonna show up, sickly or not. But I'm a little. I don't even want to say I'm disappointed because it's day 25. It's day 25. We ended 25 days in a row, sick, and I went on vacation, and it's just like, no, I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this, and I'm not gonna look at that. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that over there? You see that over there? That's Zycam. That's medicine. I'm in the bed. I'm in the bed, y'all. Listen, I got on my little tank top, but I got pajama bottoms on. And it's actually 9:30 at night the day before. I usually have a video set already. I usually be like 2 days ahead, and it's just like, y'all, I slept all day. I haven't been this sick since I had the corona. And I got tested for that, and it said that I didn't have the Rona. Nobody calls it the Rona anymore, but I don't know, man. But luckily, nobody around me is sick. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I don't really know what this is. I think it's from traveling, then having an allergic reaction. So my immune system was already like, hey, what's this? Itching. And then I caught something. I got sick maybe at the family get together, but again, nobody else got sick. So what got me sick? I don't know. But yeah, I just think it was just a lot of stuff on my body that it just wasn't used to, and now I got the hachoos. So yeah, but luckily nobody else has gotten sick. My family hasn't gotten sick, and my boyfriend hasn't gotten sick. So I thank God for that, because if anybody's getting sick, it would be him, because I be in that man's face. Y'all saw the video. So he good. So it's like, all right, whatever's going on is whatever. But anyway, the purpose of this video, I wanted to have a solid day 25. And we gonna get it together. I do feel like I'm getting better gradually, but I usually recover much faster. When I get sick, I usually don't, well, I don't want to say usually, but yeah, I usually don't take this long. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe this is just a test, to see if I'm on, if I'm on finish the 30-day challenge. But yeah, just want to come on here, let y'all know, pray for your girl. I'm still, my body is still working through this cold or whatever this is. But look at, I ain't even slicked out my edges. I'm not sick. Look at this. Look at it. You getting it real and raw. Anyway, let me get out of here before I expose more of the craziness. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Achoo. Oh, didn't need to do that, but I did.